white with banner. If you love me dearly, show me a nipple.
Shelatin, awesomeness. Shelatin, awesome. Shelatin, awesomeness. We're chilling with the Sharp family. We're chilling with the Sharp family.
Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I'm your girl Tanisha and
Sheldon Pips.
we have Sheldon here, yeah.
Yeah, we're back in the house, guys.
We want to welcome all new subscribers. Welcome to our channel and thanks for liking our videos, thanks for leaving a comment, thanks for sharing with your friends, and thanks for subscribing.
Yes, friends. So you're looking at the table and you're probably wondering what's happening, but I figure the title kind of give you an idea.
Yes.
But we're going to try and explain it.
Yeah.
So, Tia came up with this idea. You know, it's still the same
Truth or drink.
Our drink, but there's a twist to it. And the twist is that each time that you choose to drink, the idea is that you're going to pour one of the,
You're going to choose a number,
oh yes.
right?
So they're all numbered, guys.
Each time you choose yeah.
So they're all numbered. So you choose a number. When you choose a number, you choose a particular product and you put some in your glass.
And all the products are numbered, labeled. So every number in here go with a product. So each time you choose to drink, you pour it in the glass.
So
and at the end of the video, we'll drink it. That's it?
That's the idea, guys. So just imagine all of these things in a glass and you have to go drink it.
Guys, let me show you some of the stuff. This video is not sponsored, by the way. Let me show you some of the stuff that we will have to pour in our cup. This is what? Red label wine. This is rum. This is vanilla. This is what? Barbecue sauce, spicy onion. This is vinegar. This is ketchup. This is milk.
Somebody gonna get sick tonight.
This is baby food.
Somebody gonna get
And
sick
with baby
tonight.
cereal. So, guys, I'm gonna try and answer all of them questions.
Guys, there are some spicy questions here, you know.
I'm gonna try and answer all of them questions because
like,
we're not treating something there.
I don't know her. It's the first time I'm meeting her.
And by the way, we have Shackleberry.
Yeah. People are the first time I meet her. So I'm trying to get to know her. Okay? So I don't know these things. I don't know these things about you.
A truth, you know, tell a lie. You
I
tell a lie that's all.
I am going to ask you some questions. Truth or drink? Who goes first, people? Who goes first? Do you have any kind? We have one kind. I can pack it up. Lord have mercy.
I choose Ed.
You choose head people. Alright, so on choose kind.
Ed!
Japan head people.
So we are going to ask you a question first.
You should ask me a question. Just guys.
Guys, I have some spicy questions to ask you tonight, you know. Alright, so the first question is, which of your ex do you miss?
People from now watch Truth or drink. Can you hear them question then?
These questions are invented, nowhere else.
What kind of question then?
Which of your ex do you miss?
I don't understand that question. What kind of question
The answer that should be so easy for you. Eh? That should be so easy for you to answer. You shouldn't have to think about drinking anything.
I don't miss nobody. I got you. So I don't miss nobody. Eh? You try to time me up, you know? Yes.
You don't miss nobody or you don't miss no ex? Which one?
I don't miss no ex because I got you.
Okay.
I got you. So I move on, right? I've got her, so I miss nobody. Right, my question. People, this one is spicy. I don't know her, so I gotta ask her. Have you ever had a one night stand?
What is a one night stand? Explain.
You meet somebody and you just go to bed with them.
No. I'm not depending something there. No.
So if you give me an answer then.
I'm gonna say no.
You don't like how it's a turn out, you know. You're supposed to.
What if you say? That's just a straightforward question.
People write the question wrong.
Oh God. That's just a straightforward question. Yes or no? I'm gonna say no. Where did you go on answer your question?
Alright, ask me a question.
Alright, people. Second question. Is there anything about me that you would change?
That one easy question. No.
No. She's
awesome.
Be perfect?
She's awesome, people. She's awesome. Am I a question now?
Yes.
Boy, if you want to catch her, you know.
Not take so long to read the question. Just get to the point.
People may feel like something write the question and wrong.
Thank you, Lord. We always pray to people. We always pray. So, I'm not going to drink those stuff tonight.
Alright, I'm going to ask you one question. Huh?
I'm ready for it. Come
People,
on. That should come with up warning.
People should have to pour out something, you know. And she can't do this. People, she cannot do this. Whitey will ban her. If you love me dearly, show me a nipple. Show us something.
No.
Hello, show us something.
And you can't do what to do.
Show us something, man.
You can't tell me what to do. You ask me a question, why you want to tell me what to do?
Sure, catch her.
I hate you. 9. What is
A
it?
9 and 6 of them. Tia, come here, Tia. What? Tia, come here. People, it's Tia writing something here now. I don't know if this is 9 or 6. Come here, Tia.
Well, I'm 9 first, me see. So.
Tia, this is what? 9 or 6? 6. A 6?
Yeah.
6. 1 6.
So this is 6. Alright, going back to you.
So Tia, where's 6 then?
6.
Tia, mine and 9 it be. Tia? Oh, cool here.
Shackleberry Kool-Aid,
Try it off here,
guys.
eh?
Give me, no!
I know if you try it
I'm
out.
if you throw it out. Tia, if you throw it out. Tia, tell me so we can choose the amount we want. I if you throw it out?
Tia, when you water there, you know to you water to throw Tia. Come get some water, Carrico. We need water.
Yes, so
I'm sure no more. Supposed to be need some like Kool-Aid too.
Yes, see?
And this number more and catch people, Kool-Aid. Even catch her.
You catch me with one, you ain't gonna catch me again.
Hold on.
And that is not fear.
But hold
That
on.
was telling no fear.
I'll show them.
Yes, why
Let me
not?
see.
Everybody know the proof. Like,
Not a
I'll
bad
be
side.
a-
No. You're gonna be there this one. Alright. Mike, ask me your question now.
Have you ever farted and then blamed someone else?
Yeah.
Ooh.
You want here?
We know, you know. We know.
Nothing is going in my cup, people.
Now, what are yourself?
Tell me something illegal that you have done.
Illegal? I don't remember doing anything illegal.
You never take nothing, teeth nothing, drink nothing, not smoke, you know nothing.
I'm
People
just
that
an
question
innocent girl.
people
I'm
that
just
question
an
the
innocent
phrase
girl.
that question the wrong thing, you know.
I'm just an innocent girl right here, okay?
Okay then. Alright, next question from you.
Would you go out with a older woman?
No, because I'm in a relationship with you, honey. Why would I want to do that?
But if you weren't in a relationship, would you go out with a older woman?
I'm not sure.
You have to be sure or drink.
No. I wouldn't go with I wouldn't. People, the more we get into the question, the more I realize they have to be more, a bit more tricky, you know, more tricky.
Never put me in a...
Here we go. Tell me something that your ex can do better than I.
Which one of my ex?
Doesn't matter. Tell me something that one of your ex can do better than I.
Does she want you that?
Is it that you tell me or you're poor? Tell me or you're poor? I got baby food, got ketchup, got box of milk. People think me ketchup, you know.
None of my ex them not do nothing better than you. Don't talk.
People comment in the section below. Is that answer? That answer, people, is it right? I'm gonna work with it, right? I'm gonna work with it for now. Alright, you know.
People want to catch him because
I catch her one time, people.
me have to catch him because we can't bother. They have to catch each other. So I'm ready.
Work with it.
What is your favorite bedroom position with me?
People, we are a very decent channel of people.
What
That is-
position is this thing?
That is private. I am not gonna come up here and be talking about bedroom stuff. I think I'm gonna choose a number, people.
Oreo if I choose it. Oreo.
I hope I choose the rum. Not talking about no bedroom stuff right now, people. Number 11. And I wrote my 11. Let's say 10. No.
Baby food.
You know, so come and feed babies whenever you taste it. Jesus Christ. People, baby food. Am I gonna eat this though?
You have to drink it.
Okay, people, so that is that. Next question.
What? Asna?
Listen to the question very carefully. If you were a porn star and you were sitting beside me right now, what would you do to me?
A lap dance.
Okay, your time.
Alright, my question to you is how much inches is your D?
Where get that question?
Truth or dare? Truth or drink? How much inches is it? Are they going to tell them? Or you going to drink something? Which one? I like that. I like that. Right, he earned a free pass. This is
People
not
see that, people?
right.
Free pass.
This is
Free
not
pass.
right. You can't put it back in there. What do you mean?
I'm gonna put mine. Oh, alright.
This is not right.
Okay, my next question to you is, what do you hate most about me?
What do I hate most about you?
Truth or dare? You can't say nothing, you know. What do you hate most about me? Truth or drink?
You're stubborn ways them. You are stubborn.
Friends and loved ones. Am I a stubborn person? Comment in the section.
You're stuck in your own way at times.
Alright then. Oh, you can answer now?
Yeah.
Oh.
Do relationships require 100% honesty?
That's easy. Yes!
Are you 100% honest to me?
Of course. Come on now.
Okay.
Damn. Okay. Yeah. People, we have a nice question, people. Ready, Pete?
Come in if you catch it some more so people then can actually see it, not some other stuff.
Am I the biggest you ever had?
The biggest what? The biggest man?
The biggest D.
But you want me to say no or yes?
Truth or drink? Just give an answer or collect something.
I don't think so.
This can't go in a country. Okay, so my last question to you is would you like to get toys on your birthday or any special day?
Every day, any day. Toys, yes.
You know metal, right?
What kind of toy?
You know metal, don't you?
We don't know what kind of toy. You can have different toys to play with.
There are big people not to tie.
Adult toys?
Yes, adult ties.
If you want to buy, you want to buy. You want to buy, man?
No, you don't want to buy any tie. You don't want to buy any tie.
Oh, God.
People?
Alright, let me ask you the last one.
Alright, ask me.
You know, I remember it a while ago, and I totally.
You know right now?
No, the ones that I wrote don't finish, so.
I think so, yeah, read that one.
What's your favorite body part? And can you show it in camera right now?
Favorite body part on you?
On you!
You can't have that favorite body part on me. Yeah? Wait a while. I must favorite body part on you and I can't show it on camera.
Your favorite body part? You don't own me.
No, people. If you're in a relationship, you can't have favorite body part on you. You must have a favorite body part on your partner.
And
so I cannot show it people.
Alright. Show my favorite body part. Show the favorite body part that you have on. Show it on camera.
Number 14.
Wrong.
Yes, Rastafari people. Rum and baby food. Is this gonna work out?
A good mixture, we can mix master and give the recipe. Yeah.
Rum and baby food. Yes, friends. This is the end of this game.
We're not play the game again.
I think we tried our best to. I don't know. We tried. You know, it's a tricky game, guys.
Yeah, and then we're just gonna drink. I'm gonna drink but I need some water in it, so I can.
People, I don't know. Baby food and rum. I am not sure this is a give me my water and look at it not much.
You have to drink it out.
Put some my food in it.
No, you never will Kool-Aid. Leave your Kool-Aid. Drink where you earn. That's the name of the game. I earn a little Shackelberry, Kool-Aid, so I drink. That's what I'm drinking. That's what I'm drinking. That's what's in my cup. How it is? You have to drink it fast. Oh my God, drunk, you know?
Alright, people, you remember, I'm just trying to one big drink.
That's enough. People must spitefully give money for water. Yes, so that's the end of our video. Thank you guys for watching.
Yes, guys, this was fun.
Remember to leave a comment, like the video, share with a friend, and subscribe to our channel.
Peace out. Right.